had a fabric delivery.
A fabric delivery. It's in this big box, so we're going to open it up and we're going to see what's inside. You excited, Charles?
YouTube.
It is for YouTube, yeah. Watch your fingers. Just sticky tape. Sticky tape. Right. Ready?
And you can have it.
So bubbles. Bubbles.
There's loads of bubbles.
There's loads of bubbles. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Look at this. What do you think?
It's mine.
Is that yours?
Oh, yeah. Ellen, look, there's more of these. There's more of these.
So we've got some lovely, exclusive,
Ellen.
sleepy
Ellen,
rainbows.
more.
Quite a bit of it. Plenty to keep me going.
And there's these.
Right, what else?
Mommy, there's the bubbles.
Yeah. Ready? Do you want to see what's in here?
Yeah.
Come and have a look then. Ellen.
My kite's in my dress.
Yeah, the kite's like your dress.
And me, my top.
You want a top?
Open the bubbles.
I'm not going to open the bubbles.
Yeah, open the bubbles.
Exclusive rainbow kites.
Oh, Ellen, you only squish them or awesome.
What do you think of this, guys?
Mine.
Do you like that one?
Yeah.
What are they? Can you see? Is it nice? The reindeer.
Look at all these bubbles.
Yeah, just be careful with those, Charles.
Mummy, why do we need to be careful with them?
Because I don't want you slipping on them. Or I don't want you getting suffocated by them. Right, do you want to have a look in here?
What does suffocate mean?
It means that you're covering your mouth so you can't breathe. Do you want to come and have a look at this one?
Yeah.
So this one is my club bundle for this month.
Mama!
The pyjamas, are they?
Mine.
Let's step back a bit so we can show the camera. Oh, ooh, look at those foxes, aren't they cute?
Oh,
They're nice, aren't they? Should we have a look, Ellen? So we have got some transparent elastic and we've got some lovely fabrics. So that looks like some foxes. Oh, and we've got foxes.
Mommy needs help with this one.
Is it the same fabric?
I
The colour I think it is.
Mummy!
Foxes and rabbits.
In the house.
And then, oh, they're nice. Look, it's Noah's Ark.
Mummy.
You see that? Yeah.
Mummy,
Watch out.
I need help with
You
this
need
one.
help with the next one. Okay, let me
Yeah,
put that
this
one down
one's
then.
really heavy.
Let's put that one down. All right. Bear with me 1 second.
Do the little one first.
This one?
No, that one.
What's in there? What's in there? No, you're not getting in the box. Charlie, you going to help me open this? I forgot I ordered these actually. These are snaps. Canned snaps. So we've got a pastel version and then we've got the bright ones as well. Handy. Oh, careful with that box. We put these down. They're pretty, aren't they? Charlie, please be careful. Stop pulling it over.
Yeah.
Put all the rubbish to one side so you're not going to slip on it.
Come on,
Right,
come
just
on.
wait. Okay.
Again.
No, you're not getting in. We've got some mesh fabric, which is for my brand rep sew for this month.
Yeah.
Now this can be used for the insides of sportswear and jackets. I think it's the stuff that they have that lines men's swimming trunks, I think, maybe.
yeah.
But I'm going to be using it to make some little laundry bags to wash things like makeup pads and other things, breast pads, cloth sanitary pads, things like that. Or you could use it to wash your underpants in or your socks to stop them getting lost in the wash. You're going to look after that for me?
Yeah.
Should we put it down there?
Next one, the big one. The big heavy one.
Have a look.
I know how big that one.
these, what's that in there? That's my supplier cup, I think. We'll do this one first. Yeah?
I might help open it.
So these, so some of you may know, some of you may not know, that also for
Open it!
Caboodle, I take photographs for the website. So Mel sends me lots of lovely fabrics, which unfortunately I'm not always allowed to keep, but I do take photos for, so that, oh, careful, so that all the photos on the website are lovely. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a colourful bundle? Watch out, Ellen. Let's show the camera. Show everybody. Look at all that lovely fabric. Isn't it nice? Should we have a look? Should we go through and have a look? Charlie?
What?
You're going to come sit down. We can show everybody the fabric. So, what have we got on top?
Dad, can I show it?
Yeah. So what's that one? You show.
These are little plants.
Yeah. Cactus. Cacti. That's a nice one, isn't it?
These are paint blobs.
Paint blobs. Okay.
These are bunnies flying on a balloons.
Bunnies with balloons. They're cute.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's a bit of a psychedelic one, isn't it?
These are stripy yellow colours.
Yeah. They're cool.
They're all mushrooms.
2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come where you know. Thank you.
This is all cactuses
More
again.
cactuses, yeah.
These
Oh, that's
are
cute, isn't it?
whales.
Let's show everybody. Hold it up so everybody can see.
These are all whales.
That's it.
This one is the same whales again.
Whoa, Ellen, Evan, careful. We got some nice polka dot spots,
Yeah.
different coloured spots.
We got some pears.
Pears.
And we got some wolves.
Yeah. Dogs or wolves.
We got some pirates.
Pirate teddies. They're nice, aren't they?
We
We got them in blue as
same
well.
again. Is pirate blue.
Teddies, yeah. Wow, this is cool, isn't it? I like
This is-
that.
This is like a carpet.
It is a bit like a carpet.
Pink.
So that's a nice
This-
woven fabric. That'd be lovely for cushions, or it'd make nice curtains.
And these are all
Oh.
colours.
These are all new solid colours, I think, that are going to be added to the website. So we've got a lovely green now. I think this one's called Kiwi. This one I've been waiting for. That one there, which is a lovely rust colour, but I don't think it's called rust. It's called something else. Burnt orange, I think. Brown, lime, and a lilac. Right, one more parcel to open. Kiddos, you ready for the big one?
Yeah, these are
So
heavy.
this one is my supplier trip pre-order fabric. It's not yours. Well, actually, some of it might be.
Don't mummies. Don't mummies.
It's mummy's, yeah. Oh, just be careful with that box because we need it. Okay.
Oh.
You ready?
Oh, but aren't kind.
You're right. I've got some very special fabric here for you, Charlie. You want to come and have a look?
Oh,
coming, mummy.
the planet.
Planets. Yeah, you're going to show
Mummy,
everybody.
coming.
Planets, our planets.
Mummy.
Planets.
Yeah.
Planet.
Give me a minute. Look, come and have a look at this. This one's yours, Ellen.
This one's your planet, Ellen.
So we've got the planets again, but in pink and blue. What do you think? Do you like those?
Number down.
Well, we've got to make something for you to put on first, haven't we? These as well, I thought Ellen would like. What's on here? What's that?
Mine.
What is
These
it?
are the same foods are the eggs.
Mine.
What is it, Ellen?
These are eggs.
It's broccolis, yeah.
These are eggs. These are eggs and they are really cute.
Yeah, they got cute faces on, haven't they?
Mine.
Yeah. Wait a minute. So this is lovely alpine fleece,
And
which I
soft.
ordered last year and was lovely for sweaters. Whoa. Wait a minute. And then I've ordered
Okay,
some
and some
cotton, some
apples.
apple. That's just some woven cotton. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but I quite liked it. For maybe something kitcheny, reusable, something or other.
Let me get it.
Wait. Do not break this box.
Yeah, right.
Come on, look at this. Do you like this?
Mine.
Yeah, well, you could have something with it, couldn't you?
Can I bring
The lovely
this into
printed
the
autumn
living
leaves.
room? Because I want to do it in the tunnel.
No.
Oh,
Leave it alone.
But you have got 2 big boxes on me and then
Well, we'll find you a box.
a big box. A really
Oak
far
French
down box.
terry. A couple of meters in that because it's always
I want
good.
this one.
And
I want this one, Mummy.
French terry again,
I want
but
that.
in the flecked. Great.
No.
And I think that's it. Is that everything? Is the
Yeah.
box empty?
Yeah, it's empty.
Come and say goodbye to everybody then. Saying thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
You gonna say bye, Ellen?
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, we love you.
I love you.
I love you. Goodbye.
I love you. Goodbye.
I'm here.
Is there an Ellen in there?
Yeah.
Ellen, are you in there? Where's Ellen? Where is she?
Yeah.